Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Get ready to supercharge your Brawl Stars experience in 2025 by enabling true full screen. This simple guide helps you eliminate those annoying black bars, offering a much wider, more immersive view of the battlefield. Imagine seeing more of the map and spotting enemies sooner, all leading to better gameplay and more victories. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your device for Brawl Stars. For our Android users, achieving full screen is often a straightforward process through your device's system settings. First, open your phone's main settings app and search for display or full screen apps. Within that section, you'll find a list of all your installed applications. Locate Brawl Stars, then simply toggle on the full screen display option. This usually forces the game to utilize every pixel of your screen for an enhanced experience. If you are playing on an iOS device like an iPhone or iPad, Brawl Stars typically runs in full screen automatically. However, if you are noticing any black bars, first ensure your iOS operating system is updated to its very latest version. Sometimes, older software can cause display inconsistencies with newer applications. If updating doesn't help, a quick reinstall of the Brawl Stars app often resolves minor visual glitches, giving you that perfect edge-to-edge display. While most full-screen settings are device-specific, it's always smart to check Brawl Stars' own in-game options. Open the game, then tap on the three lines in the top right corner to access the main menu. From there, select Settings. While Brawl Stars usually handles aspect ratios automatically, glance through for any display or graphics options that might impact your view. Ensuring these are set to default or auto helps maintain optimal presentation. If you've followed these steps and are still experiencing issues, don't worry, there are a few more troubleshooting tactics. A simple restart of your entire device can often resolve minor software conflicts. Additionally, clearing the game's cache can refresh its settings without deleting your progress. For persistent problems, consider checking dedicated Brawl Stars forums or contacting Supercell's support team directly. They can offer device-specific guidance for the best full-screen experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.